In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable Gmail to track packages for you. Gmail's package tracking feature allows you to conveniently track the status of your shipments directly within the Gmail app. Follow these steps to enable this feature. 1. Launch the Gmail app on your smartphone and tap on the menu button located at the top left corner of the screen and scroll down to the bottom of the menu and select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate and select your email address. This step is necessary if you manage multiple Gmail accounts. Next, scroll down within your Gmail settings until you reach General. Within the General settings, look for the Package Tracking option. Toggle the switch to enable package tracking. If prompt, enable Smart Feature and personalization as well. Next, once you have enabled package tracking, the Gmail app will now automatically detect and track shipment information in your emails. You may need to exit and reopen the Gmail app for the changes to take effect fully. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.